Hello, I'm Zhang Yun, a postgraduate student of UTM. Today, I'm going to have a presentation about my research ideas online. And my title is Research and Implementation of Performance Assessment of General Education Curriculum based on the core competencies in vocational colleges. As an important part of higher vocational education, general education is an important content of vocational education reform and development. The core spirit of general education lies in improving the sustainable development ability of vocational education, perfecting the knowledge structure of students, strengthening the adaptability and the creativity of students, and promoting the around development of talents. Performance assessment is a mainstream educational evaluation method in Western developed countries, which can visualize the complex thinking and higher order cognitive ability of students in the evaluation process. Performance assessment can not only evaluate students' ability for inquiry, but also help students construct knowledge, develop creative thinking, collaborative ability, and learning to study through evaluation, which is in line with the current goal of school education reform based on the core competencies. For the research objectives, combined with the current domestic and foreign research situation, clarify the connotation and their mutual relationship of non-technical skills and general education in higher vocational education. Analyze the current situation of general education curriculum teaching in Chinese vocational colleges, as well as the core competencies, development direction, and the core problems in the evaluation field that Chinese higher vocational students should have to be solved. Establish the evaluation system of the general education courses in vocational colleges based on the core competencies. Introduce the evaluation methods such as performance evaluation. Explore the appropriate evaluation methods through research and case tests. And the evaluation system is developed and implemented. For the research question, and the first one that is focusing on the two core issues of performance assessment, the construction of evaluation, framework, and the development of evaluation task. Literature analysis is carried out around them. Number 2, analyze the current teaching status of general education courses in vocational colleges. Clarify the connotation of the core competencies of vocational students. Number 3, what is essence and connotation of performance assessment of general education courses in vocational colleges? Number 4, how to design curriculum performance assessment of general education based on cultivation of core competencies. As we can see on this page, and there also have 3 questions and among them, and we should to research in my paper. For the methodology, and the first part is research design. Through the in-depth analysis of the research content and specific problems, this research adopts the quantitative research as the main method and quantitative research as the auxiliary method. And for the population and the sampling, data reference provided by experimental classes in the vocational college. For the research instruments, most of the research methods of humanities and social science, such as interviews, observation, and questionnaire. For the data analysis, the computer software package SPSS was used to conduct statistic tests of its reliability and validity after including the invalid data and the data were input, sorted out, and analyzed. For the last part, expected findings, this study elaborates the design steps of performance assessment of general education curriculum in vocational colleges, which mainly include the establishment of conceptual framework, the determination of evaluation objectives, the construction of performance assessment tasks, the design of scoring rules, the organization and implementation, and then the negotiation and improvement. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.